Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to open bank account online on Westpac Bank. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Westpac Bank account opening. And click on this first website over here. Now choose the type of account you want. Let's go for saving accounts. Now click on open now by choosing the account you would like to open. So let's tap on open now over here. And let's tap on open now again. Now we need to enter our details here. At first, enter all of your personal details and then enter your contact details. Afterwards, we need to click on send SMS code and we'll get the code in our mobile and we need to use that code. And afterwards, we need to enter our employment details, financial details and identification details as well. And we need to provide our identity cards. And once all of the verifications and details work is completed, we can finally open Westpac Bank account online. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.